Hey everyone, I am going to see the Gladiator movie in the theaters with my family. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to put on a Gladiator warrior style makeup look. This is going to be privated, so if you see it before I private it, then you get all exclusive access to something that is going to be edited and posted later on my beauty channel. But for now, let's get straight into the video. I want a smoky Gladiator style makeup look. So it's going to look like I have come from the ashes, from the fire. Dramatic cat eyeshadow wing. Smoldering. I already put on my foundation. I had black eyeliner on before, but I'm just covering it up with black eyeshadow with a flat tipped brush and making it larger and more accentuated. So before I even found out that a Gladiator movie had came out, I watched a Gladiator movie, like the old version, on Thanksgiving with my family. So this is full circle moment here. So I'm getting a Q-tip and cleaning, making the wing eyeliner sharp. Just make it look very accentuated. So when your face is at eye level, when it's completely straight and not tilted, you can see the wings just cutting up towards the eyebrows. Very dramatic eyeshadow look. I'm going to make a gilded gold eyeshadow look, so I'm going to line the wings with gold eyeshadow so that it kind of glimmers, gives it a good contrast. Just wet the Q-tip a little bit with water so that it becomes liquid eyeshadow, and I'm putting it under the arc of my eyebrow. And then the next step is just to highlight the inner portion of the eye. But this is what it looks like so far, if you can see it. So the outer edges, I'm just kind of blurring it a little bit to add a smokiness effect. And then I'm taking a brownish color from the Beauty Book Eye Face Palette and just creating a line that is going to be smudged to add like a grungy flair, and blending with my finger. This is a play on shadow, light, and sharp lines. Next step is to dab into some of this black eyeshadow I have here and create a contour. Just to have that ashen look. And then I am going to just blend it a little bit. I believe my phone is about to die, so I'm going to end this tutorial here. Thank you so much for watching.